Alright, May 2015, question 10b. And the question reads, relative to the origin O, which is the point 0, 0, the position vectors of the points A and B are OA is 0, 9, and OB is 3, 6, respectively. The points D and E are on AB and OA respectively, and are such that AD is equal to 1/3 of AB and OE is equal to 1/3 of OA. The following diagram illustrates this information. So the first thing we have to do, BI, is to express the following vectors in the form AB. Alright, and the first one, I, is the vector AB. Alright, from triangle law of vectors, I can say that the vector AB would be equal to the vector AO plus OB. So this is from triangle law of vectors. It starts at A, end at B, and the next letter is in the middle. Alright, OA, we know already, is equal to OA is what? 9, 0, and OB, vector OB was what? The vector OB is 3, 6. So the vector OB is 3, 6. Alright, so now this is equal to minus the vector OA. AO is minus the vector OA plus the vector OB. So what we have here is minus 9, 0 plus 3, 6. And this is equal to minus 9 plus 3 and 0 plus 6. So the vector AB is the vector minus 6 at the top and 6 at the bottom. So this is the vector OA. The vector AB is the vector minus 6, 6. Alright, next, we're to do the same for the vector OD. So by triangle law of vectors, the vector OD is the vector OA plus AD. That's the first thing. So this is same as saying OA, the vector OA. Now the vector AD is 1/3 of the vector AB. The vector AD is 1/3 of the vector AB. So OA is 9, 0 plus now 1/3 of the vector AB, which is minus 6, 6. So this is going to be 9 minus 2, because 1/3 of 6 is minus 2. 1/3 of minus 6 is minus 2, and 0 plus 2. So the vector OD is actually the vector 7, 2. OD is 7, 2. Alright, third and last, the absolute last part of the question, the last question in the exam. We need to find the vector BE. Now, the vector BE is equal to the vector BO plus OE. All right. So this is equal to BO plus 1/3 of OA. The vector, um, the vector OE is 1/3 of the vector OA. So um, this becomes, all right, we probably should make a correction from here, or we should say something here that the vector BO is minus the vector OB. All right. So this is minus 3, 6 plus 1/3 of 9, 0. So this would be equal to minus 6 plus 3, because 1/3 of 9 is 3. And down by the bottom we have, sorry, it's minus 3 at the top actually. This is minus 3 at the top, plus 3, and down by the bottom we have 6 plus 1/3 of 0 is still what? 0. So the vector BE minus 3 plus 3 is 0, is the vector 0, 6. The vector BE is the vector 0, 6. That's the end of the question and the end of the exam.